Having touchscreen problems on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? This usually happens because of software glitches, dirt on the screen, or calibration issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the touchscreen issues on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Clean the screen. Use a soft microfiber cloth to wipe the screen. Make sure there's no dust, oil, or moisture on it. Avoid using harsh chemicals. Solution 2. Remove accessories. Detach screen protectors, battery handle, tripod, or mic. Some attachments can interfere with touchscreen sensitivity. Try powering on without attachments. Solution 3. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, check battery level. If it's low, then plug the charger fast. Solution 4. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.